Today's adventure, I'm going to be replacing this cold header box on a furnace head pressure switch issues. One of these ports could be partially plugged or blocked, not allowing the pressure switch to make, because you have the positive and the negative on the different ports. The black over here, this is the channel I believe last time that I wasn't getting a good test on. This channel had a good test. It actually looks like it comes straight through, but let's see. First things first, I never put these back on because I couldn't get it to start. So I never made these things too tight. Hoses could come out of the way. Hoses are gone. Let's get the fan out of the way. Usually I wouldn't use an impact. Except right now, because the cold header box is going. Turn the gas off. Everything's turning. Everybody keeps telling me not to use channel locks. These are not channel locks. These are adjustable wrenches. It's probably, as far as I'm concerned, one of the best adjustables out there. But everybody can have their opinion on what tools to use and not use. This, I figured I'll have more space if I get this out of my way. Always make space to work. Gasket there, good. One thing I'm wondering is, they used to have orifices here. Offices. It's the moment of truth. Now, one of the greatest things they could have done is make traps that you cannot get off. Because a threaded glued on 90. Awesome idea. shouldn't be here. There actually was a little water in here. Not a lot, but some. Not enough to cause problems though. Not enough to fill up the collector buckets with what came out. Pit level, it should be pitched this way. It looks like it is. What did I find there? Not on the other one. Something looks like it might be clogging that little port. So but I'm wondering if that is what's causing the problem. I'm back. I just had to call my part guy to find out why I didn't get a pressure switch with the kit. Because I thought I was getting a new pressure switch last time I was here. I pulled the orifice out in case I did any damage to this. I don't want to be using this switch again. For testing I may put it in, but I have a switch hopefully on its way over. Something stuck right there. That could be the problem. And I guess this furnace actually was turned on. There's a little bit of water here. This is behind here. Already drained. Our plug's already on here. If you're ever doing these, be careful. I've seen guys crack these things when they over tighten. Interesting. There's 2 channels on that. Ooh, spider. Oh, collect the box because of a spider. Oh well. The problem presented itself. So it was the cold header box. I don't know how much more of a web he's made inside that box. Brand new under warranty, just change it. I wonder if I got the spider in the video, but he came out of the box. So look for that for next time, because I'm sure once I turn this on, that spider would probably cook. Just more skin, I don't need it. Grows back. Problem solved. Let's put this together and test it. See if I damaged that. I don't want to wait for the new switch to test. See if our igniter battery starts. There we go. Starting to glow. Before I put the drain together, I'm not going to be able to film it because there's no space, but here's an interesting thing that Lennox did. They coated the drain with Teflon. So you really don't, or maybe it's that like a pipe dope, so you really don't need sealant. I'm still going to Teflon it, but unfortunately because of the space I'm working in here, perfect. Now I just need the gas. Thanks for watching. Until next time, I'm out.